Today we're making ice cream with puffy paint. For details on how to get craft supplies for this craft, check out the video description below. You'll need some cardstock or firm paper, you'll need some puffy paint. I've included a link on how to make puffy paint at home in the description below. You'll need a paintbrush, and some crayons or markers. To start, set out newspapers so you don't make a mess. You might also want to wear an old shirt or a painting smock to protect your clothes. This is about to get messy. Using puffy paint, paint as many ice cream cones as you'd like. Again, you can find the recipe I follow in the video description to make homemade puffy paint using glue, shaving cream, and food coloring. Here's a tip. The thicker you paint your ice cream, the puffier it will be when it dries. Set aside to dry. Just be aware it can take a few hours. Once dry, use crayons or markers to add in extra details, maybe an ice cream cone or a bowl. When you're satisfied, you're finished. Now you have a puffy paint ice cream cone.